To reset your Bird Gard unit, turn the power off, disconnect the power supply from the unit, pull the sound card, and wait 30 seconds. At the end of 30 seconds, reinstall the sound card, making sure that the memory chip is facing the left. Reinstall the power cord and turn the unit on. If it still does not work satisfactorily, please contact us.